Alright guys, welcome back to our introduction to HTML. I thank you for joining me again. Today we will be learning about image links and divs, which are very important. And but first I'm gonna this is a little tip for buttons. You know, when you see buttons on websites, you see buttons everywhere. Just a regular button would be button type, okay? And make sure, yeah, that's right, okay. When I spelled button, it didn't look right. Then you spell, do button again, okay, in the quotations, and then on the click, which means it's commanding it to do, excuse me, what it's commanding to do on the click is, alert, okay. And then the parentheses, and then make sure you put the little quotation sign there, and then put whatever text you want. So hello, okay, and put the quotation and the parentheses, and do the there we go. I'm messing up poorly today. Let's see. Alright, we got that, and then and then click me is what the button is going to say, and you can put whatever you want there, and then slash button, okay? And look at that. We've got our own button. So let me show you what this does. I'm going to save it, and let's see, let's go into documents. The awesome website. So click me. Okay, so there's your button. Alright. And, alright, next we've got, image links. So, these are very helpful when you're trying to get someone to click something, like, if you go on Google Images, okay, images, okay, let's say your company, you're making a website for your company, and your company is, is on Facebook, so join us on Facebook, okay. Then you're gonna search, and let's say you like this one right here, okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna copy image URL, and then you're gonna go back into your code. Let's put a line break, and then you're gonna put a link, which is href, and then in the parentheses put your you're going to put where you want that to go. So if I wanted it to go to Facebook, I would have it go to Facebook, okay, and then slash whatever, and then the quotations, and then close that, and then you're gonna open the image, okay, where it's gonna get the image. The source equals, and then here's where you're gonna put the link, okay, and then do the quotations again, and close the link, close the link tag, sorry, and that should then you should have it. There we go. See, of course you can, just like we did in the last video, link in description, we have the, you can resize it, of course, just like right here, okay, as we resize the other one, okay, so, and last but not least, definitely not least, because these are some of the most important things you are going to have on your website. They're called divs. and what they do is they're like boxes on a website. Okay, so if we take YouTube for an example, okay, you can totally see that this right here is a div. It's basically a box. Up here is a div, here is a div, over here is a div. You just have they're boxes that make up the website. So YouTube is a great example for this because they've got boxes all over. And yeah, so okay, let's see. Div, anything in the div. So you can put any content in the div. Let's put header 1. Okay, and close it. Paragraph text. Close it. And then let's say we want to put an image in there, okay? I'm going to take that image, copy. Okay. Paste. Okay, and then you're going to always close the div also, okay? You're going to have as many divs as you want on your website. Look at that. Okay, so a div is not visually, you can't visually see it unless you put a border around. That'll be in my videos coming up. But this is the div right here, okay? From header 1 down to the image, that's header 1. All this is just open content on the page. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you try those divs and content link images, just like this. Join us on Facebook. But one thing I would encourage you to do is if you want me to make a video on something or tell me something I missed, which I'm sure I have, please comment and rate and subscribe. Thank you guys very much.